Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to take a look at my little Altoids Tin Fire Kit that I carry with me in the little cell phone case on my basic level 1 hiking belt. Okay, so this one's been used a little bit because I've cooked up some char cloth in it, and I just secure it with a piece of black electrical tape. I don't have any inner tube to make a ranger band or anything like that, but here it goes, and it fits perfectly in the little cell phone case. And this is just the standard size Altoids tin. So I'm going to cut this electrical tape, and we're going to take a look at this. Let's see if we can't not cut ourselves. Okay, here we go. Now, okay. You can also use the tape as a little bit of a fire starter. Okay, so here we go. We open up our Altoids tin, and you're going to see right away I carry just a piece of folded up paper towel in here, just in case you need a little bit of dry fire starting material, or you can use that for a number of things. So there's a little piece of folded up paper towel that I have in there. Now I carry a bunch of little pieces of fat wood, lighter wood with me, a lot of them, as many as will fit in here, because that is one of the best things that you can have to start a fire. And this is going to be dry lighter wood. If you get out someplace where it's really wet, now you have some dry lighter wood, or fat wood, whatever you want to call it. But carry some perfectly dry lighter wood. Now, the heart of the system, our good old Bic lighter. Great. We got a bunch of fires in this. So we got our Bic lighter. Now, I also carry a couple of these little pieces of, that's some char cloth. We're going to do that in a second. A couple little pieces of these fire burning things that are, impregnated with some sap or resin. One of these things that'll burn, this is just the good old fire extender. You start it up and it'll burn for quite a while. Okay, and this is basically a piece of rolled up jute twine that'll do the same thing. You can actually catch that with a spark if you need to, but there's your fire extender. All right, now I also carry about 10 or 15 matches, if I could get them out. Carry about 10 or 15 matches with the striker. So, because matches ain't very good if you can't strike them. So I cut the striker off of one of the packets of matches, and I carry the matches with the striker so I can always strike it. Now, I got a bunch of char cloth with me. In the bottom of the kit, a bunch of char cloth. And there you go. Here's our piece of tape. There is my basic Altoids Tin Fire Kit. Some people get more elaborate with these than this. Some people make it a little bit easier. But I think I got everything to help make a fire. I got my lighter. I got some paper towel. I got some fire extending things. I got some nice fat wood, which really helps. This is nice dry fat wood. I got some matches, and I got a striker in case my lighter goes out. I got some char cloth that I can strike and make a fire with on my ferro rod. And I got a little piece of tape just in case I need to, a little help with the fire. Tape burns really, really well. So there you go. There's my Altoids Tin Fire Kit. Let me know what you think. And until next time, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I will see you on the trail.